Yeah. This looks so good. Hey guys, Carla Hall here. I am so excited to partner with Califia Farms to help spread the love for plant-based and dairy-free products. So today, we're gonna be making an everyday cheesy mac. I mean, honestly, it's all dairy-free. I mean, quite frankly, I just think you'd cheddar off without it. Stop it, stop it. I mean, well, that's what she said. But today, we're using Califia's Unsweetened Almond Milk and their original oat milk. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is pour some hot water over my cashews. You're gonna cut your onion in half, and you're gonna cut it against the grain. Onions go in this bowl, 5 cloves of garlic, because come on, everybody's gonna be eating it, so you'll be fine. 2 minutes, the water boils, put them in, set a timer for 2 minutes, rinse the noodles, and they'll be perfect. Take some miso, and then I'm gonna take a 1.5 cups of the unsweetened almond milk to braise those vegetables in. So I'm gonna slowly pour in the almond milk and whisk in the miso. All right, into the oven until they're soft and caramelized. So we have some panko, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne, some salt, which I call compliments, because if you don't use it, you ain't gonna get no compliments. So mix up all the spices. You're gonna mix in some olive oil. This is gonna help your breadcrumbs brown and give them a really nice crunch. We gotta dance till the vegetables are ready. Hallelujah. You smell them? Look at that. If your onions aren't bending, guess what? They're not ready. Now we're gonna measure out some of the original oat milk. All right, so we're gonna drain the cashews, and we're gonna save this liquid just in case the sauce is too thick. So these go in here. They're nice and soft now. Okay, I'm gonna puree this up. I totally forgot the soy sauce. It's okay. You can drop it in right now.